Well, here it is the next day. We got pounded last night with snow. In my truck, it's just right up to the bumper. And I had to dig myself into here today and barely got up the driveway. You got all this snow right here that I had to shovel out to get into just the entrance. Yep, everybody pretty much got about the same. Now it's got a little bit of freezing rain in the air, and that's just not helping things any. But you can see, here's the old Jeep here that we use at work. I brought a stick out here, and I'm going to measure this. Okay, looks to me like that ended up right about 11 inches, and that's kind of what I had at home too. So we sure did get a bunch. Actually, we've been pretty lucky the last few years. We haven't had hardly anything, and this is making up for it. So now I got to get them to come up and plow me out. My little tractor just can't handle all this snow. This is a little bit more than that thing is built to do. So maybe I'll shoot another video when we get this thing cleaned out here. It's like a little work ahead. Alrighty, we get a little plowing done. Impossible doing this with one hand, but fun. Alrighty, I need two hands for this. I'll be back. Looks like the reinforcements have arrived, thank goodness. I got a lot done here. Did all this. But this hill looks like it was going to be about all this poor little tractor could handle. Let's see how these guys do here. I get so sick down by the road because the plows push everything in there. Okay, looks like they got this job pretty well handled. That means it's coffee time for me. Oh, here we go. I think he's going to come up the hill. Maybe not. Still cleaning that bottom. It's the first good snowfall we've had in quite a while, so I don't really mind it. I don't like it, but it's what we get here in the Northeast. And can't complain if we've had some decent winters here the last couple. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys checking in, putting up with my boring, snowy video here.